Hi there, welcome to this video. My name is Jim and this is Trader at Charts, and today I want to show you two examples of what happens if you make your stop loss too tight and if you are trading in kind of a right way, but yet you don't how can I put this? If you are too early and you are too, the FOMO, fear of missing out. So I'm gonna show you two examples in this video, and hopefully it can help you become a better trader. So let's get right into it. Okay, so this is the Dow Jones US 30. We have a nice trend up here, and then we have a top here. And what happen is oftentimes that if you take a trade around this area here, you will probably you can take a trade, and if you take a trade up here, you have the support here. You have a nice wick here, 1, 2, and obviously here you have a very nice wick, and we show a lot of strength here, but yet we don't seem to get over this top here, and we move down a bit, and then you have the big sellout. So instead of taking this trade over here and take a long position here, I would suggest that instead of taking this trade, wait and see what happened on this level here, because here we have a very nice indication of that the price will probably move opposite direction, because here we have a very nice resistance level. So here we had it over here one time and then two times. It's a very nice resistance level. So instead of going long here, wait for the candle to move up here and then take a new look at the charts again and see what happened. Here you have the three wicks to the trend line, and it's a valid trend. And then you just, instead of going long here, you wait until you see what happened here. You see the markets move down a bit, just like this, and then you have a very nice sell-off. So here you have a support, you have a resistance, came a resistance here, moved down, moved up, resistance here, support here, and then we close below, and then you had a very nice sell-off here. So this lesson is all about knowing when to take the trade and knowing what kind of trade you want to take. So here you obviously want to look for moves on the sell side, because if you look at the bigger time frame, you would see that we are in a strong bearish trend here. So to have the price moving up here is kind of a bad bet to take, and I would rather wait and see what happens on this levels here, and then take a nice trade here and say have a nice profit. Okay, so that's example number 1. Number 2 is US oil. Here we have same thing here. We have a nice trend line here, and if you are too early, let's say you see here you have 1, 2, 3 nice candles here that's showing that this trend line is valid. You have a breakout here, but the price suddenly moves up again, and you would maybe be stopped out, or you would take a trade again. So in this example, I want to show you to take a trade here. It's not, it's not the worst thing you can do, because it's, as you see here, you move down, you have a breakout from this trend line here, but if you're gonna take this trade, you can't put your stop loss here. You have to take it here, because if you take it here, you will probably be stopped out probably more than you would be successful in this trade. Why? Well, because if this is a breakout, you will probably see the impulse wave up again, testing the trend line. And if you then take if you are afraid of losing money, you should not take the trade in the first place, because then you have the scarcity mindset to lose money. So if you would take it here, and let's say you would take profit down here, this is a ridiculous risk-reward ratio, so you might well move it up like here. You see, you still have a very nice risk-reward ratio. So, and again, here we have a very nice, we have a bunch of information of this levels here. So again, if you want to trade, look at the bigger time frames, and then look at the lower time frames, and then you have to take a decision: how much am I willing to risk in order to gain, right? It's always this risk-reward ratio conversation you're gonna have with yourself. So before you take a trade, how much are you willing to lose in order to gain? So I wanted to give you this quick example of how you can make better decisions in your trading, and I hope this helped. This is a little bit different video that I used to do. If you like it, put your thumbs up and like the video. Subscribe if you want to have more videos like this, and I hope this helps you get to your next level in your trading.